Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run JavaScript code using Visual Studio Code extension. And to run JavaScript code in your system using Visual Studio Code, you need to have Node.js. It should be installed in your system. And I have already prepared an old video where I have already shown how to install Node.js in your MacBook. You can go and check if you have it's not installed. So how can you check if Node is installed in your system or not? Go to terminal, open new terminal, and there you type Node -v. So there you see it is giving the version number. It means Node.js install. Okay, now let's go and create an project in JavaScript, and we'll go and create and open a folder. There we'll go and type. I'll open the JavaScript folder. So under that there already a text file is created. If you want another file also you can create it, test1.js, and there you can go and type console.log, and you can type my past JavaScript program. Now see, now we have created this JavaScript program. Now how can you run this directly? So for that there is no run option. You can see this is my whole code. Visual Studio Code is visible, but you cannot see any run option. So for that we need to click on extensions and click on extension, and there you need to go and you need to search for this code runner. Click on this. So this extension, you can see code runner. You need to run C++, Java, everything you can run using code runner. Install this code runner. This is installing now. It got installed now. Once code, you can see this play button is visible here now. Once code runner is installed, now just click and play. You see now it is getting created. Now you can see, now in this video we saw how can we run JavaScript directly in using Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.